Hey folks, it's Matt from trailbreak.com. I wanted to give you a quick video, show you the new AiM ACC2. The ACC2 goes a long way towards replacing the channel expansion, where it allows you to take a number of analog inputs, change it to a digital signal to get into your dasher logger. It works with the Solo 2DL, the MXM, the Evo series, and the MX series of dashes in the 1.2 and 1.3 versions. When we open up the box, we start to get to see what comes with it. We get the ACC2 unit itself. We get the sensor cable that goes into the ACC2 and gives us 4 analog inputs, and the connection cable between a data hub or the device itself and the ACC2. In that connection cable, the lengths vary from 0.5 meter to 4 meters. And on the sensor side, this is a 4 analog. We can go all the way to a 4 TC or free wires for any device you want.